In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to Grok AI in 2026. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log into your account. Once you are on the main chat screen, start a new conversation or open an existing chat where you want to work with your file. Now look around the message box for the file attachment or upload option. Click on it, and a file selection window should appear on your computer. From here, browse through your folders and find the file you want to upload. Select the file and confirm your choice. Depending on the current Grok interface, available features, and your account, supported file types and upload limits may vary. After selecting the file, give Grok a moment to upload and process it. Make sure the file appears as an attachment in your chat before sending your message. Once the upload is complete, you can tell Grok what you want to do with the file. For example, you can ask Grok to summarize a document, explain specific information, find important details, or answer questions based on the uploaded content. You can also combine the upload with a specific instruction. For example, you could say, summarize this file in 5 bullet points, or find the most important information in this document and explain it in simple language. After Grok responds, you can continue asking follow-up questions about the uploaded file. This can make it much easier to understand long documents or quickly find specific information. Before uploading anything, remember to check the file for sensitive or private information. Only upload files when you are comfortable with how the service may process the content. And that's how you can upload files to Grok AI